So for the next problem, it says like it is titled as duplicate job listings. It is a LinkedIn SQL interview question. It is the same problem, same question as problem number 8 in the SQL chapter of ACE, the data science interview. Assume you are given a table containing job postings from various companies on the LinkedIn platform. Write a query to retrieve the count of the companies that have posted duplicate job listings. For example, the definition of duplicate job listings are defined as two jobs listings within the same company that share identical titles and descriptions. So for example, we have been given a table job listings, and let's say this is an example input. We have the job ID, company ID, title and description. So only you can say we have to find two job listings within the same company, share identical titles and descriptions. Okay, so let's say first we count the distinct, what is the uniqueness, and we have to decide the uniqueness on this company. Like company ID, title and description. From the table name is job listings. This is to find the distinct double of this. So what we have to find out the count of the duplicated companies. So the total minus the distinct ones would give us the duplicate entries. So let's say count the company ID minus count of these distinct ones and return it as, it is written over there how we have to return it, duplicate companies. Let's see it works or not. It returns 3. Probably the table here is different. Let's see it is accepted or not. Yeah, it is accepted. Thank you.